Hello amazing people, Eric Were here. Welcome again to another brand new video on LifeVersity, and in this video I'm going to share with you 5 powerful routines of success to start during the coronavirus lockdown. I have always believed that success is a direct result of good habits. Highly effective people have simply developed great habits and incorporated them into their daily routines. On the other hand, failures have got accustomed to toxic habits and incorporated them into their daily routines. Changing your daily routine can be the only thing you need to do in order to shift from failure to success. Most people only wake up early when going to their 9 to 5 jobs. Now with the coronavirus lockdown, a majority of people simply sleep even up to 12 p.m. When they wake up, they eat, watch television, and go back to sleep. Why not use this plenty of free time to incorporate great habits into your daily routine? By the way, if you are new on this channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post another brand new video like this one. Do not forget to hit that like button if you are finding massive value from this video. Here are the 5 powerful routines of success to start during this lockdown in order to make that crucial shift from failure to success. Habit number 1. Get up at 5 a.m. every day. This is the secret to success in any field. An easy way to make the most of every single day is to attack it. Get up early, get into those difficult tasks, and see the rest of the day through. Successful people don't start their day late. Scientists say that waking up early, that is from 5 a.m., gives you a psychological edge over most people who probably wake up late. In his book, The 5 a.m. Club, Robin Sharma suggests that you adhere to the 20/20/20 formula after waking up. In its simplified format, the 20/20/20 formula simply stands for the activities you should be undertaking immediately after waking up at 5 a.m. Here's the breakdown of the 20/20/20 formula, and as you can see, the first pocket, those are the first 20 minutes. From 5 a.m. to 5:20 a.m. you should engage in activities that provoke you to move, for instance exercising. And then the second pocket, that is from 5:20 a.m. to 5:40 a.m. you should engage in activities like reflection, praying, meditation, and much more. Last but not least, the third pocket, that is from 5:40 to 6 a.m. you should engage in activities that help you to grow personally, that is personal development. Personally, I review the goals I wrote down the previous night. I also read my book of the week, at least 50 pages per day. As I shared with you in the previous videos, I read 1 book per week. So during this period from 5:40 to 6, I start reading my book of the week. I also watch motivational videos from my mentors on YouTube. I also listen to podcasts and much more. And I have seen tremendous changes in my life since I started using the 20/20/20 formula and waking up at 5 a.m. If I can accomplish very many things by simply waking up at 5 a.m. and adhering to 20/20/20 formula, I believe the same can happen to you. Habit number 2. Exercise every day after waking up, even if it is 15 minutes of push-ups and sit-ups. According to the 20/20/20 formula, as you saw earlier, you should exercise in the first 20 minutes immediately after getting out of bed. Personally, I get up and exercise, from push-ups to sit-ups to weightlifting and everything in between. I also drink lots of water during those exercises. Habit number 3. Write down something you are grateful for, something you let go, and what you intend to achieve during the day. According to the 20/20/20 formula, you should reflect in the second pocket after waking up, that is from 5 5:20 to 5:40 a.m. Personally, during that period, I write down my gratitude list. I meditate over the Word of God from the Bible. I also plan my day, and lastly, I do pray. A gratitude list is one of the most important secret weapons to success. After writing down things you are thankful for, also write down something bad you let go. Last but not least, write down something you want to achieve during that day. It may be in the form of a to-do list or any format that is convenient to you. A gratitude list helps you to kickstart your day on a positive note. On the other hand, a to-do list helps you to prioritize on the most important tasks of the day instead of shifting blindly from one task to another. Habit number 4. Eat at the same times each day. Nothing is terrible than having a poor and imbalanced diet. You need to eat healthier to remain healthy. A body with the right nutritional intake is far more useful than one that is poorly fed. Make sure you consume a balanced diet to ensure that your body is well topped and able to cope with the rigors of the day. Apart from consuming a balanced diet, ensure you eat early, probably 2 to 3 hours before going to bed. For other meals like lunch and breakfast, eat at the same times each day. This habit will help you save a lot of time while remaining healthy at the same time. It is just like the classical story of killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Habit number 5. Plan your goals for the next day each evening before going to bed. Successful people think success all the time. That is why their goals are ingrained firmly in their subconscious mind. While most people believe that having a long-term goal is all that is needed to succeed, successful people believe that without small daily goals, you will get discouraged easily and lose momentum. Write down your goals for the next day before going to bed. This is one of the most important changes I had to make in my own life. I realized that writing my goals the previous day helps my subconscious mind to find ways to accomplish those goals while I was resting at night. When I wake up, all I do is to write a plan of how I will knock down the goals of that day. The subconscious mind is brilliant at prioritizing. It listens to you and gauges from your thoughts what you think is the most vital task. This means that what you think about accomplishing before going to bed is what the subconscious mind will presume as the most important thing for you. Since the subconscious mind never sleeps, it goes out of its way to find creative solutions to your problems while you sleep. When you wake up, you'll have a concrete plan in most cases. That is why it is vital to write down your goals the day before. It makes your planning easier when you wake up. That's it for this video, guys. If you are new on this channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post another brand new video like this one. If you found massive value from this video, kindly hit the thumbs up button for me. Stay tuned for the next video. May God bless you.